Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy in case you're new here, and today I brought you this gorgeous earring tutorial. This is very easy, very beginner friendly, and don't take much of time to be made as well. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hype it, and if you're ready, let's get started. We will need to have the following materials for these earrings. We are going to use this Filo di Scozzia yarn, size 8/3. I'm going to put it in the description box, so if you would like to, you can actually have a look there. I'm going to use a 1.50 millimeter crochet hook, a yarn needle, 4 wooden beads. These are 8 millimeters, each one of them. 2 earring hooks, a stitch marker, and a scissor. We will start by making a magic ring, so have a look. We wrap around our finger the yarn, then we pass it to the forward, grab it with 2 fingers, rotate it down and grab the longer yarn and pull it out. Then we are going to tie it a little bit to make it shorter, and then we add the crochet hook. And now we are going to chain 2, 1 and 2. And now we have to make 15 double crochets into this magic ring. So yarn over, insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 15. Perfect. And now we will grab this shorter yarn, the starter yarn, and we will pull onto this to close this gap and create this nice circle. And now you remember we did the chain 2 initially, so just here between this chain 2 and the first double crochet between, we are going to insert the crochet hook and we are going to make a slip stitch. So now we're going to chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn it around, and now we're going to count. Look at it. 1 chain, 2 chain, 3 chain, and the 4th here, insert the crochet hook, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch, just like this. Then we're going to chain 1, turn the work, and now we're going to make 15 single crochets into this circle. 1, and now the first one, I'm going to actually mark it with the stitch marker because it's sometimes really difficult to see where that first one was. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you see that there is no space doing it, you just grab and pull a little bit and you see you already have more space. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and last one, 15. Perfect. Now we will chain 2, 1 and 2. Turn the work around, and then we are going to make 4 times double crochet into the same first stitch. Okay, so yarn over. This chain 2 is standing for our first double crochet, so we're going to go to the same stitch. So 1 double crochet, yarn over, same stitch, 2, yarn over, same stitch, 3, yarn over, 4. Perfect. Pull out slightly the yarn so you don't want it to flip out. Now have a look, we are going to insert the crochet hook here between the chain 2 and the first double crochet space. Grab the yarn, the hook, and pull it over on the front. Now we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. We are going to skip 1 chain, so we're not going to crochet into this one. So every second we are going to make 5 times double crochet from now on. So yarn over, skip 1, second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. Pull it out slightly. Now we're gonna look for this space between the first double crochet. Going to grab the yarn and pull it over. Then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over, skip 1 space, second one, 5 times double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again, the first double crochet here, we're adding the hook, grab this hook and pull it over, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, yarn over, skip 1 chain and 5 times double crochet into the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, add the crochet hook into the first one, grab the loop and pull it over. Just continue like this until the stitch marker, so we always skip 1 chain, always we're working in the second one, 5 times double crochet, and we're pulling towards on the front side, okay? And we finally arrive to the last one, so we can remove the stitch marker. And we're going to make 5 times double crochets into this last stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one, 5. Perfect. Now we're gonna grab the first one and pull it on the front side. So have a look how it turned out. I don't know if you saw how pretty it is. Now we're going to work in these spaces between, so only in the between spaces. So insert your crochet hook, the first one, we're going to be making a single crochet, then a half double crochet, so yarn over and pull over the yarn in all the three, then yarn over. We are going to make a double crochet here, so yarn over, pull over in two and pull over in the other two, yarn over, half double crochet again, pull over in all the three, and then a single crochet. Perfect. We're going to the next one now. Again, single crochet, pull over in both, half double crochet, so yarn over, insert, pull over in all the three, yarn over, double crochet, pull over in two, and yarn over, pull over in the other two, half double crochet, and then a single crochet. We are repeating the same steps from now on. So in every this hole between, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, again half double crochet, and a single crochet until we reach to the end part, where I'll show you how we're going to close this. I'm in the last one now, making my last half double crochet and then a single crochet. Have a look how pretty it is, and then have a look, this is where we did our crochet where we pull them together. So we are aiming to the middle point here into this place. You remember where we got the hole together, grabbing the yarn over and making a slip stitch. Then I'm going to chain one more, leave a long yarn, and you can cut it off. Going to pull the yarn out and secure. It's gonna be more secured. Now we will need to have the yarn needle, and we're going to guide this yarn from this point to the center area, to this circle in the back side only, towards the top. It's going to come up here exactly in this top one. So I'm going to slowly guide it there, make sure that it doesn't come through on the other side, and it aesthetically stays hidden. I'm trying to make it as nice as possible. Okay, keep controlling on the other side if it doesn't go through. Perfect. I'm going to guide it up. Okay, we got that here, you see. Then I'm going to guide it back exactly the same spot. I'm gonna show you why. But this time, just don't pull it through completely. Okay, leave a tail here, kind of leave a loop here. Now we're going to grab the crochet hook and two of the wooden beads. You're going to insert the wooden beads here, and now going to grab this yarn, pull it over and pull it down. Now I'm going to grab the earring hanger. I'm going to insert that too and close that up. Perfect. Once it's done, we can pull onto this yarn, and if it fits here, mine fits here, I'm pulling into it. Perfect. Make it as tight as possible. Now we have to get rid of these excess yarns, so This is the one that is holding my earring hanger and the wooden bead, so I have to make sure that it's nicely firm and it wouldn't move. So I'm gonna make a couple of stitches. Also want to tie it so it won't move out. And just make a couple of stitches, make sure that it's not visible, that it doesn't come through to the other side as well. And once you did enough stitches to hide the yarn, you can actually cut it off. And of course, don't forget, you have to hide this other yarn as well, just exactly the same way as well. And have a look, one gorgeous earring is just ready, so don't forget you have to make another one from this one. So our gorgeous earrings just got ready, and I hope that you enjoyed the process making them. Please let me know in the comment section below how it went, or if you have encountered any difficulties, or if you have any suggestions for me. I'm really open for any feedback. So of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hype it, and I hope I'll see you very soon in my next tutorial as well. Take care and see you very soon.